everybody. It is currently 7 a.m. right now. Way too early for me, really tired. But I'm gonna give my car a quick little rinse because me and my friend are going to Cars and Coffee, getting in and out and having a little cruise. So my car's not that dirty, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of water on it and dry it off, that's it. I don't know about y'all, but every single time I wash my car, like the morning before Cars and Coffee, something happens. Like either I don't have my towels dry, which happened today, so I'm using the crappy towels, or I get like oil on my car. Like, let me show y'all. I don't know if you can tell, I'm literally drying my car. This happened last time I was there too. I don't know why. I guess it's just bad luck cleaning your car before your car meet or something. Like it'll start raining or like, I don't know, dude. I hate washing cars. I got no detail spray, bro. Are you kidding me? Bro, it is hard driving with one hand. Oh my gosh. Got bro following me in his little Honda. Yeah, we're on our way right now. It's like 1,000. One of one. Oh, that's not good. Oh, look at that thing. I can't zoom in. I feel like one of those car spotters. That's clean.
I think I've seen this car somewhere, dude. Pinterest or something? That's where I've seen this car somewhere.
Oh, these are clean.
Oh, this car actually.
This is what type of wheels and ton you get. Look, right
in
here.
this exact car.
This one right here? Yeah, look at this. These wheels are something. That's what you should get. That fitment is crazy. Oh, this is Mark, by the way.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, he has a cord. We're gonna build it on our channel if we can. Yeah, no, that's tough. That license plate is good too.
This color would be tough on my Accord.
I wish. Got Mark dreaming.
Dream car.
Bro. If I had a Porsche, it'd be like this. Yeah, no. These are made in Japan. You ever seen that guy that people make fun of for being lazy? He like cuts Porsches and stuff? Yeah. This is him. Yes. See? RWB. That's so clean. That's so clean, bro. That's sick. I like American cars, but Japanese cars are insane.
This is the first four-door I saw today.
Yeah, no, that's sick.
It's giving me hope for my car.
Yeah, everything's a coupe.
Yeah, everybody. Yeah, all the things are
Smiling.
Is that my car?
Yeah. I feel like I'm one of those brainless people. Yeah, that's mine, by the way.
Recording his own car.
Yeah.
What up? Thanks, Mortgage. This is my car, the Honda Accord 2004. It's kind of, it's a work in progress. You know, there's a lot of scratches and, you know, whatnot right here. But I'm gonna get it painted. It's gonna be all black. Trust me.
Yeah, all black.
All black. Get new wheels. Probably.
Lower it.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe. I might
Yeah.
lower it. It might look good.
And exhaust. We're gonna do that all on our channel, so.
Yeah.
And there's my car. Mark's never had this before. Was it good?
Dude, this is so good, bro.
Yeah. What is up, everyone? Raph. pretty well. I met some people. It's always awkward talking to random people for me. But this guy, he's building a 1,000 horsepower C5, and yeah, it's pretty chill. I love this car. Someone was in my comments the other day talking about how my car sounds stock and slow. I don't know how. Maybe it'll just be hating just to hate. Channel, I'm really trying to make more like high quality, like chill content, not like cash grabs and finishing my car in like a week. Not because I just don't have the money, I mean that's a reason, but most people in the car community now, they're just modding their car in like a month and it's not even entertaining to watch. Yeah, me and my girl are actually on the way to the gym right now. Worst part of having a Corvette would have to be the gas. Like, look. Let me know if y'all like these kind of videos, like kind of like vlog, more chill videos. I would like to do like a lot more of these. Like we just got back from the gym, had canes, you know, just living life. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little different than the last videos I've done, but they're more genuine. I think that's a problem in today's like car videos and stuff, is people are really not being genuine anymore. They're not really helping as much. They're not really just providing more entertaining like things for y'all to enjoy and for also themselves to enjoy. So I personally, I enjoyed this video. I hope y'all did too. Make sure y'all comment and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think of these type of videos. And seriously, like I said earlier, I really want to get that camera, and I just want to make sure that's something y'all would like, because you know it costs a lot of money. So just let me know. If I got it, I would do like a mix between like basically what I do right now, but just have that in the, you know, it would just be nice. This one is low light and it would just look really good at night drives and stuff like that, and that's my favorite thing about having a car is like night drive and stuff like that. Hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.